In this video, you learn how to use Google's brand new AI app builder called Opal. This tool lets you create workflow automations or so-called mini apps completely without code. It's similar like n8n or Zapier, but without the pain of endless setups and debugging. It's still in beta, free to use, and already showing a lot of promise. We're going to see how it works, test one of the templates, and then build a custom workflow together. Along the way, I'll also share limitations so you know exactly what to expect. So let's jump into it. To use Opal, you just need to sign in with your Google account. No installations, and in seconds you're in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice it's packed with templates. These are pre-built workflows you can use as is or remix into your own. Let's start with one of them, the blog post writer. So when we click on this template, we're taken to the editor view. Here you can see every step of the workflow laid out. The first step is that the user enters a topic for the blog. Next, Opal passes that prompt to Google's AI model with a set of system instructions. The AI does the research, creates an outline, writes the post, and even generates a banner image. What's cool is that when you click on each step, you can actually see the exact system prompt that's being used. At the top, you'll notice the AI model it's pulling from, in this case Gemini, plus additional Google AI tools for text, images, and more. And here's something I really like. You can switch between the editor view, where all the logic lives, and the user interface, which is the front-end app. So let's test this out. In the app view, I'll give the app the following instructions or prompts. AI automation market updates August 2025 SEO optimized. Now the app is researching, structuring, and writing. This part takes a bit of time, but once it's done, we get the final blog post, a title, and even a banner image. Really nice. But here's where it gets even better. If you want to tweak the workflow, you can. There's a remix button that lets you edit steps or refine prompts. For example, I could ask ChatGPT to generate a stronger system prompt and paste it directly into the workflow. At the bottom, there's even a change option where you can request modifications in natural language, and Opal will restructure the workflow for you. That's a level of flexibility you usually don't get with tools like Zapier or even Lovable. Now let's build something from scratch. I want to create an app that generates an SEO optimized YouTube description, 3 thumbnail concepts with high click-through potential, and some catchy video title proposals. So I click create new, paste in my prompt, again with the help of ChatGPT, and watch as Opal builds the workflow. Just like that, we have a working app that could save content creators hours every single week. Let's try it out. I'll type vibe coding, and after a couple of minutes, here is the result. Even with thumbnail suggestions, it looks good to me. Of course, since Opal is still in early beta, there are limitations. You can't yet connect to many external APIs like TikTok or Facebook, which tools like Zapier and n8n excel at. Compared to Lovable, Opal doesn't yet let you set up custom databases or manage advanced backends. And because it relies on Google's Gemini model, the quality of the output is only as good as that model. If you're not a fan of Gemini 2.5, then that could become an obstacle. But on the other side, it's free, simple to use, and very promising. For non-technical founders or creators, this is exactly the kind of tool that lowers the barrier to create. If you look at potential real-world uses, you can build apps like AI tools for clients, or apps that are generating social media campaigns, producing reports from uploaded documents, and many more things. If Google expands this into a marketplace, we might see a whole new wave of micro SaaS businesses powered by Opal. So to sum it up, Opal is like Google's take on no-code AI workflows, easier than n8n, less cluttered than Zapier, and different than Lovable. It's still early, but if Google keeps investing in it, this could turn into something huge. I'd recommend giving it a try now while it's free. Play around, build some workflows. Who knows, you might end up creating your next side hustle or even your main business with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.